Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today, I'm going to show you how to make egg in a bacon basket. People love them. They're delicious and easy to make. The ingredients you're going to use is 3 eggs, 1/3 of a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper and salt. I'm using Himalayan salt, but any salt will do. 1 tablespoon of minced onions, 1 tablespoon of minced green bell peppers. If you don't want to use the green bell peppers, you can use the yellow, the orange, or the red. Actually, these 2 ingredients are optional, so I'm going to leave it up to you whether you want to put this in your eggs or not. 1/3 of a cup of shredded Colby cheese. If you want to use cheddar cheese or sharp cheddar cheese, you may do that. If you want to use Gruyere, you may do that too. And 6 slices of bacon. This is regular sliced bacon. It's thin slice, not your thick slice. You don't want to use thick, you want to use thin. I'm going to show you how to put these in the muffin pans later. You're going to need these little muffin tins to bake them in. Let me show you how we're going to get this together. I'm adding my eggs into a large measuring cup. This will make it a lot easier to pour our egg mixture into our muffin pans. Heavy whipping cream, salt, pepper, and your onions, bell pepper, and we're going to whisk it up. You see how that's just turning in color. If you don't have a whisk, use a fork. It does the same thing. Add your cheese. You're going to whisk it around. Back with those muffin tins. Give them a light spray. It's time to line them with bacon. There's 2 different ways to line these muffin pans with bacon. If you're just looking for 1 slice of bacon, go ahead and add your bacon into your muffin tin and fold it over. Same with this side. And you're going to have 1 slice of bacon in your muffin pan. The second way I like doing this, you're going to add 2 slices of bacon. Make sure you push your bacon down in there because as it bakes, it's going to shrink up. So you want to make sure you just push it down in there, and then you can fold it over like this. And fold this side like this if you want a lot more bacon in your egg bacon baskets. I really prefer this way, but whichever way, it will work. We'll experiment. Always experiment. That's how you find out about great fun things in the kitchen. Show you again. I'm just going to add it down here into the muffin pan. And by the way, I'm only making 6 of these. I'm only making half the recipe, but I've added the full recipe below in the description box of this video. These look absolutely lovely. Time for our egg mixture. You want to give it a little whisking. And we're going to pour it about 3/4 of the way up. Little piece of cheese there. I'm really curious to see how the single pieces of bacon are going to turn out versus our double pieces of bacon. Off to the oven, preheated to 375 degrees for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. After 20 minutes, this is what they're looking like. Nice and bubbly. We're going to use a toothpick, stick it in. It comes out clean, so these are ready to come out of the oven. Let these cool for about 5 minutes before pulling them out of their muffin pans. Before you remove your eggs in a bacon basket out of its pan, just use a plastic knife. This doesn't scratch up your pan, and it'll loosen them up in each tin, so they'll be very easy to pop right out, as you can see. Ready for serving after about 10 minutes. I want to show you the difference in the double sliced bacon versus the single sliced bacon. When it comes to your eggs in a bacon basket, you can see that there's a lot more bacon here on this one than there is this one. And even if you turn it over, you're not going to have as much bacon there as what you're going to have on this one. Gonna give them a try. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Oh yeah, looky here. Now this is just perfect with breakfast with hash browns, or if you want to have it for lunch with a salad. Perfect, absolutely. You're gonna love them. You got your bacon, those onions, that heavy cream, the cheese. If you are a bacon and egg lover, you're gonna love these eggs in a bacon basket. Fantastic. A perfect egg and bacon dish. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up. Oh yeah, and looky there. Egg in a bacon basket. You can't go wrong. Thanks a million for watching, you all, and I'll catch you lovely people later.